someone is about to come rushing in. So let's see what they're going to do. Okay, this could be a Leo, Aries, or a Sagittarius, or that could be you who's involved in this. This person is bringing a very fiery energy and they're going to come in. Now, you may be used to this person being the runner. So maybe in the past they've got so close to you and then they've ran away. It's been a matter of pride. So maybe they were a bit concerned about being vulnerable and didn't know how to deal with their emotions. It's showing that there's a huge attraction. So again, we've got fire there. So there's definitely another fire card. So we've definitely got a fire sign involved. You might both be fire signs. That's also the twin flame card. So it could be very much a runner chaser dynamic. This person goes so far, then panics and moves away. Fire signs tend to have a lot of pride, but they're also very brave. So rushing in is very much their energy. Shows that they could have had things going on in the background that they need to balance out, that they needed to take care of. They could have used that as an excuse not to come in, but they're having a huge realization. And the realization and like awakening and epiphany is that they need to come in now, otherwise they might lose you. So they may have been tempted to go down other paths. They may have deceived you a little bit as well. So maybe you feel like you're unsure if you want to go back into this because you don't know if you can trust this person. Well, they've sabotaged it, but they're back to rebuild. Okay, they want to work on it. They want to repair this connection. They want to kind of fix it. They seem in a big rush. So there's an offer coming in to do with love. And it shows here unconditional love, giving and receiving. So they're definitely coming in to fix this. Now they're saying here, it won't be today. However, when this person comes in, you'll have clarity and it could lead to an engagement or a, higher commitment of some sort. This person's been hiding the true feelings for a period of time. So I think you know that they like you, but I don't think you know to what depth that this person likes you. And they've been holding back. Okay. So they should have expressed themselves more. They haven't. They felt trapped. They felt trapped possibly by a third party. So this could be another person, children, family, work, whatever. It could be their own head. They might have just been overthinking the situation and got themselves trapped in this place where they feel like they couldn't move. So we've definitely had an interference there. Now, we could also have water signs involved in this. So we've got Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio. This person's made a decision. And again, the decision, we've had that card come up twice. Again, this decision is around love. So let's just take a look at that card. Unconditional love, giving and receiving, fairness and love, affection returned. So it's time to come in and be fair. That's what this person has decided, and they're now in a rush to come in. Maybe they feel like they've left it too long. They feel as though they've hurt you and upset you. It's very deep, these feelings, okay? They're like deep within here, but love is on the brain. They're coming in, and it's only you this time.